Shakara. Hey, Shadabadam.
Share. Mupro, you be a bar.
Oi, another classic. Father baby.
It's candy beans.
Sentinel trying. Yakwe. Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala. Munjami. Shakala. Bagala. Shakala. Bagala. Munjami.
So what's what to na boom, so what to na boom, so what to na boom, so what to na boom,
I did a boss on. Hey,
so ointment to be on my mission, half my minute to swear.
Ointment. Now, when I did a pass, I saw what the course was an answer to Calaba no more motion. Every tomorrow.
Not to me.
Yeah, sure. But I said, don't pay myself and Fenia. So, when I get here, left and right. Oui. Yo.
Let me try. Let me.
Yo. So, what if I call about no one to do penny to my way? Huh? Hey, I'm going to wow, go to Bianca soon. I didn't a boss when I say,
Me drive away and I make what them. And I apartment in me.
You see.
It's your feeling wants me to my way.
Put any appearance, but I mean, there's a many wants me to be a brother. Now I do. With a cafra,
Matia. About your mental.
I mentioned the base here. Cafra.
About your mental way. Shakala, bagala, shakala, bagala, munjami, come up. Where you take a car, not the fair for swat and one on better white. Oh, why won't me? I never mean far up in your man. kafra o kafra. Yeah, 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 baby. Oh, kakranka ebeko. Kafa. Mione ebeko. Honey, what is that going on? Young one, what is the time that you doing? What's in the 9 years now? Me for No, come back! What's in the 9 years? Why you do? Instead of you to sit in front of her to make this thing. Sit in front of her. I don't know not doing Honey, what is happening to you? Nigeria former papa. Is it father? Yeah. Oh, sorry. And let me come. I'm just helping your wife and you are here. You're just helping her. I'm helping her. He told you to help her. He told you? Yeah, she asked me to help her.
I did, because it pains me, please.
That thing they pay her. The pain is too much. It's okay. Don't touch it. Me myself, I will touch it. Don't worry. Can you do it? I will do it. Can you do it? No. Honey. Can you do it? It's okay. I will do it for you. Honey, let's go inside. This is my job. This is not your job. It's my job. Let me help you. No, don't do it. Hey, Master, let me help her. Let me help her. Can you help her? It's my fault to help. Hey. Oh! Hey. Let me help this girl before the girl helps. Honey, why you have problem with this man? And then why is... It's for me. The water is for me. Give it to me. Go and buy yours. It's for you. Yes, it's for me. See. Go and buy yours. Honey, let's go. Baby. Please, I don't want to talk too much. Most sorry, I can't tell myself, and I'm sorry, I'm can't see a young woman. I bought one tissue, what country I want to ask you. We hear treatment. May a wow and a honey. Maybe so. I want to move around for a while.
Baby, you know you can't even.
Let me Oh, manager. I'm sure about this. Nigeria, this happened. That's Nigeria, Diba. Sorry. Where are you going? Stay back. Oh, manager. Eh, Bengueba. Share. I don't want to. Welcome, Hassan. Oh, no, Nigeria, if free Nigeria, Abenya Ghana, ni ba papa. And then again. Young man, don't go stay there. See, please. Hey. In your outfit like this, I don't want to see you again. What this nonsense you have done again? Don't do what? I come to this house. I don't have problem with you. We stay this house. Peace and love. I think you don't have sense. Yes, I'm telling you the facts. If you have sense, you will know how to talk to me. You should have asked me what's going on. Why are you